Horn Hydraulics and Technogrid, combining their respective strengths and areas of expertise, present the Techno Post Station Stopping Device. The Techno Post Station Stopper was tested at AngloGold's Tautona mine on the 14th of February 2001, and a variation of this device, the Techno Beam Station Stopper, was tested on the 17th of August 2000. In order to ensure complete objectivity and compliance to company standards, the mine requested these tests be audited by a competent third party. In this instance, Anglo-American Technical Division, ATD. At the heart of the new stopping device is the patented Technogrid Energy Absorber. Making use of cutting-edge technology, the Technogrid absorbs energy by deforming a series of metal bars assembled together in the form of a metal grid section. The Techno Post has been designed to operate on surface and in underground stations. The tests were carried out on surface on both occasions. The Technogrid unit is situated between the rails. Therefore, there is no need for expensive excavations and foundation structures. One end of the Technogrid energy absorber is anchored to the footwall, while the other end is attached to the impact post. The moving locomotive impacts the post, which is pushed backwards and stretches open the Technogrid unit. Energy is absorbed by the deformation of the metal bars which make up the unit. The post unit is designed to lie flat between the rails to allow traffic flow and is raised into the safe position using a pneumatic cylinder. Because of the novel nature of the technology, it was agreed that each test be repeated a number of times. The first series of tests involved one of Tautona's new era locomotives with a hopper and caboose. This presented a total mass of 18.5 tons. Each locomotive was driven by remote control, and the speed of impact was measured with a radar gun operated by a traffic officer. Impact speeds of between 12 and 19 kilometers per hour were recorded, resulting in impact energies of between 102 and 257 kilojoules, excluding drive force energy. Both types of stopped decelerated the train smoothly and safely each time, with no damage whatsoever to the locomotives or wagons. Nor was there any damage to the glass windows and headlights. No sign of accumulated damage was noted after the many impacts experienced. Notice how the bars of the Technogrid unit have bent after they have absorbed the impact energy. On each occasion, tests were run with the locomotive at the front of the train and repeated with the caboose in front.
Oi.
After each impact, the deformed Technogrid before replacement was carefully measured to determine the amount by which the grid had expanded from its original length. This was on average about 520 millimeters, which was exactly as the theoretical calculations had predicted. These tests illustrate how effectively a Technogrid section can bring a heavy train to rest safely, even in runaway conditions. Some of the advantages gained using the Technogrid station stopper include minimal excavations, controlled deceleration, no onerous drainage requirements, and ease of installation. The simplicity of construction leads to cost effectiveness and low maintenance requirements. Please note that besides the Techno Post version of an underground station stopper, other versions are also available. These include the Techno Beam and the Techno Yoke. Because of its high velocity and high maximum energy absorption capabilities, the Techno Grid Energy Absorber has a wide variety of other applications, such as arresting runaway conveyances in incline shafts, mud rush protection, overwind and underwind protection, conveyor take-up counterweight arresters, and as an energy absorber underneath jack catcher posts. Horn Hydraulics, professionalism through engineered solutions.